If you click on a clip, one of the other icons down at the bottom is called titles. If you click on that, you'll notice a bunch of different types of titles that are going to pop up. Titles are just text that you're going to be able to type on the screen. Depending on what type of title you choose, you can do several things with it. When you click on a specific type of title, sometimes you'll notice different options. Some of those options include opening, middle, closing, center, and lower. Most of these options just mean where they're going to appear on the screen. Each title is different and allows you to do different things, so make sure you choose the one that's going to fit your project's needs. To the right of that, you will see location off and sound effects off. You can turn those on by clicking on them. Your location button only works if your iOS device has that enabled. Some of these titles do include sound when they come on the screen or off the screen. For example, the pop-up title has little bubble sounds. If you'd like to hear those sounds when the title appears, then you click that so it says sound effects on. If you don't want to hear them, make sure it stays off. Titles will appear throughout the entirety of your clip. If you would like them to appear only at the beginning of your clip, make sure to split your video at the point where you want your titles to end.